Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Chams and you are watching Bazul's. Today's video will be the third episode of Learning Tunisian Vocabulary. I thought maybe it would be more interesting for you to make it by subject or by theme, and we are going to start with a very important theme, which is house and the name of the rooms and the furniture of the house. So without further ado, let's jump direct into the video. But please before that, if you haven't done yet, kindly consider subscribing to our channel and please hit the like button. Let's go direct into the video. Before we get started, please bear in mind probably this will be a bit longer than usual, so grab your coffee or your apple juice and let's go direct into the video. The word number one in our today's video, of course, will be house. House in Tunisian means dar. We use as well the word villa. If it is the case of one apartment, it's very similar to English and French. We use the word also appartement or portman. Let's give fast example because these words are very easy. So I bought one house. شريت دار or شريت villa. The first thing that you saw in the house is of course the door. Door in Tunisian means bab. It's very similar to Arabic language. As well, you will see windows. Windows then in Tunisian means شباك or شبابك if it is plural. Let's give one fast example for both of these two words. حليت الباب or حليت الشباك. I opened the door or I opened the window. Let's start now seeing the names of the rooms in Tunisian dialect. The living room in Tunisian is بيت الصالة. This is what we call the formal living room area, because we have also another room which we call بيت القعاد, which is the family living area. It's usually like a bit smaller and informal, like it's not like the main salon. Okay, of course, also kitchen in Tunisian dialect means cucina. It's very close to the Spanish language and the Spanish and Italian language. I mentioned that in one previous video. If you haven't seen it yet, please go ahead and you will find it in our playlist, and probably I will put the link in the description down below. Okay, bedroom in Tunisian dialects means بيت النوم, bedroom. It sounds almost the same, but it's not the same. بيت النوم, bedroom. Child's bedroom in Tunisian we call it بيت الصغار. It's exactly translating the words to Arabic or Tunisian. بيت الصغار or child's bedroom. Very similar to English and French. WC in Tunisian, WC or toilet in Tunisian is toilette. حشاكم. Bathroom in Tunisian dialect is we use the French word salle de bain. I don't think we have another word. مشيت للsalle de bain. I went to the bathroom. Okay, let's see now about the garage. The garage in Tunisian is very similar to English and very similar to French. Also we say garage. The garden in Tunisian dialect is jarda. It is very similar to the French word jardin. Jarda. Let's give one example for this word. عنا جردة كبيرة في دارنا. We have a big garden in our house. Okay, I think we covered all the names of the rooms and of the garden and of the garage. Now let's go ahead and start talking about furniture. Furniture in Tunisian dialect means أثاث. أثاث الدار, أثاث. Let's start by the easiest things. كرسي in Tunisian means chair. Let's give one example. I am sitting on the chair. أنا قاعد على الكرسي. I am sitting on the chair. أنا قاعد على الكرسي. Okay, the next word will be طاولة. طاولة in Tunisian means table. And here, of course, we can say طاولة فطور means dining table. We can say طاولة متاع تلفزة TV table. We can say as well table de coin, طاولة corner table. Let's give one example. الطاولة حضرت. The table is ready. If you have some visitors and you want to invite them for the dining room. The next word will be desk. Desk in Tunisian means bureau. It's very similar as well to the French word bureau, bureau in Tunisian. Okay, the next word will be sofa. Sofa in Tunisian means fauteuil. Let's give one example. متكي على الفوتوي. I'm having a nap on the sofa. As well, we use the word bank in Tunisians. It's I think it's the same like English and French. It's the same as French word banque. It approximately means have the same meaning like sofa. Okay, the next word is bed. Bed in Tunisian means farsh. Let's give one example. شريت فرش جديد. I bought a new bed. Okay, very close to the bed we can find the side table. Side table in Tunisian means table de nuit. We use the exactly same word like French language. Table de nuit. Okay, dressing in Tunisian means marro, and as well we use the word dressing. It's very close to English and very close to French as well. As well we use the word argentière, the same thing as French language, which means the display. It's kind of buffet, but it's the old style of buffet with usually in all old Tunisian houses you will find this argentière. It's very close to French, as we say. In English it's called buffet, I think, yeah, or display table. I think it's more buffet. One last thing in the furniture as well, in Tunisian dialect we use the word algeya. I don't know if this word is used everywhere in Tunisia, but in my region we use the word algeya for the entrance furniture. Yeah, it's called like entrance furniture, where you put the mirror and the place where you can hang your stuff. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. I just forget to mention the word balcony. Balcony in Tunisian is very close to English and very close to French, which means barcoon, sorry. Let's give one example for this word. حليت البركون. I opened the balcony. Or let's give another example. I have a nice balcony with a nice view. عندنا بركون مزيان view طيارة. One last word I think I forget to mention as well. The dining table in Tunisian means بيت فطور. Dining table. I think that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope I covered all the words regarding the furniture and the name of the rooms. If I missed some word and you know it, kindly let us know in the comment section down below. If I forget some word and you would like to know the meaning of it, also kindly give us a comment. We will reply as soon as possible. And that's pretty much it for today's video, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Goodbye.